love the style, don't forget, drop it in the comment section. Eh? Drop it. Worry not. I don't know how to tie. I don't know what to tie on my hair. I'm going out. How will I tie it? That is why I am here for you. Let's dive into the business of today. So today I'm making use of my Ankara Gilly. That's why I'm wearing a plain top today. So when you are putting on a plain top, you can make use of your Ankara on it, and that is what I'm doing at the moment. And it's just 1 yard. It's 1 yard Ankara. So we are working with this fabric, and we are making use of a rubber band to also achieve what we want to tie. Let's dive into the business of the. Please make sure you watch to the end. So the first step is you will pick the edges. That this is the edge, and this is the normal face, and the inside, this is the inside. So is the outer part that will be on your skin like this. This is the outer part. Then what you will do, you will. So this one, the Ankara is not long to make it. So I want to find a way to just tie it around the to make the bow to stand very well. So that is what I want to do. So I'm going to secure it with the pin. Mhm. So this is my two bow here, and this is, so I want to separate it now. I want to bring out the fabric inside. So this is, let me bring it out. Mhm. So from, I want to make sure that everything comes out of it. So this is bow number one. Then the other one. Wow. So did you see it? So I want to join all the mouths together. I want to join it together to give me a beautiful bow, bow, bow. So it's going to be as soft. I'm putting on cap, putting on cap, 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 cap. Ah. If you love it, drop it in the comment section. If you love this first style, this is the first style. So let's get another, let's just form another design. Let's go style number two. We've achieved this. So this is the first one. So this first one like this, I want to bring it like this. So I'm going to secure it on both sides now, on both edges. So this side again. So I'm going to secure this on this side too. So this the other one now. I want to use that one to do a. That one is going to form a bow on its own. So this is another style. So style number 3. So let me remove. Okay, this one. I use this to form. Let me remove the pin. So this is this one that I put there. So even without me, it's like the bow will just to form bow on its own. So we form this. Skate today very well, very well. So you can just put your brush there as a center like this. So I don't want to put it there so that because I want to form another style. If it will work. So let's try another style. Now it can work now. It can walk, 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 walk. Can just stay. So the two, I will pin the two. So the boat is going to come up. Be careful with your head though, because of the pin. This one too. This pin, I don't actually know what is and the amount is wrong. So the other one too, you also the other one, the mount. So I will also pin that one too. So I want to pin it. So I will just pin it with this one standing like this. So I will just try it myself. So this one, this one, and this one. I want to bring the two together. Oh, so just arrange it very well. Arrange it. Arrange it. So if you love them and if you decide and you want, join the two this thing, join it together. Just join it together. And just make use of just your a yard. Is a yard I'm using to form all the style. You can make use of a yard to form it. So it's simple. Help me to share with your loved one. Please don't forget to press on the notification bell so that once I upload any video, you'll be able to see it and you'll be the first set of people to see it. So we'll meet again in my next video. Bye. Love you. Let me in the comment section.